On the ground, Russia relentlessly bombarding towns and cities, hitting civilian infrastructure. Russia accused of deliberately destroying everything in its path. For so many Ukrainian towns and villages, this is what liberation looks like. Most of the population has fled. And for the few people who are left behind, this is all that's left of what they used to call home. The recent attacks, Putin's retaliation for a blast on a critical bridge linking Russia to Crimea. Now the Kremlin announcing the arrest of 8 people in connection with the blast, including 4 Russians. And during the meeting at NATO, Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff's General Mark Milley reiterating US commitment to Ukraine while addressing possible Russian war crimes.
They have targeted the elderly, the women, and the children of Ukraine. Indiscriminate and deliberate attacks on civilians targets is a war crime in the international rules of war.
Meanwhile, in New York, the United Nations voting overwhelmingly to condemn Russia's attempted illegal annexation of parts of Ukraine. Over 140 nations voting in favor. There were some notable abstentions, including China and India, but this was by far the strongest condemnation of Russian actions here in Ukraine. George?
Ian, panel, thanks. In our next half hour, an exclusive interview with 2 Americans who were captured by Russian-backed forces while fighting for Ukraine. Michael?
All right, George, now to a new